Hi, Mark Garcia here. And when you make a purchase for jewelry, you don't think about normally all the time about the after the sale service, sizing, inspections, finish work, all of those kinds of things. And fitting a ring is incredibly important, and it may just be a little more complicated than you think. Did you know that you might have up to 4 different finger sizes on the same finger? And that has to do with the way the ring is made, constructed, the contouring of the shank, and the width of the ring can all have a huge factor. That's what we do here at Garcia Company. We are jewelry professionals. So you may have it may be a narrow ring. It's going to be a different finger size. It may be a medium width ring, and it's going to be a different size. You may have a ring that's comfort fit and have a convex inside. Most men's wedding bands these days are. That will be a different size. And you may be one of those that wears a super wide ring, and that can be men's or ladies. We love these wide band styles. That'll fit you differently than any of the other 3 combinations that we just talked about. So if you want professional sizing, professional fitting, and professional service on your jewelry, come see us.